Welcome back to my channel. This video I'll be showing you how to analyze your token before you buy them, right? Now if you don't know how to copy a contract address, because we'll be using many contract address to access these platforms, which we are going to analyze those contract address to know how solid the project, the token we are about to buy, how strong they are, if they are good to go or not, right? Now I've made some videos showing you how to copy contract address both on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap and all of that. Now this particular one I'm going to do for you now, this tutorial, is not just the complete Confluence. So you just check my videos, you see where I've done other Confluences, other platforms that you can use to verify a contract address. So this will be like a added one to it, which will make you now to get a 100% verification, and then you can go in again. So there are some other platforms which I've done tutorials on, you can use to confirm also. Now let's head to the video. You go to your Chrome. So when you go to your Chrome, you will search for Honeypot.is, right? So I hope you can see the platform here. Let me show you clearly. Look at here, Honeypot.is. So once you load it up, mine is showing like this because of course I've been using this platform, so this is not the first time. So I will just go ahead and copy my contract address. You get? So maybe you have your contract address already for the token you want to buy, or you want to go ahead to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to get your contract address, or someone sent you a contract address. So you don't just buy blindly. You have to do the research, because this is finance. You are talking about your money, so you want to know where you are investing, what you are investing into. You have to stay ahead of the game, right? So I'll now paste my contract address and I'll click on check for honeypot. Now for some of you who doesn't know what honeypot means, this just means like a malicious contract address that is designed to trap your fund, to collect your fund and disappear at the end of the day. So this is not like, I'm not trying to say that this will give you 100% like intake even after they have verified you, but at least this will give you a hint of what is going on. And I've been using it for a while, and most of the tokens have verified here, and some other platform which I've done videos on, I recommend you watch. They've given me like massive return, because of course after doing the analysis, at the end of the day I'll end up buying a strong token that I understand and I know what they stand for. So after that, you click on check for honeypot, right? Now as you can see here, it says passed. So it passed the honeypot check, right? Like it passed the honeypot check, and you can see the name of the coin, BNB Gold. No risk for honeypot. So the risk of this particular project to be a honeypot is very low again. So we have passed the test. The token has passed the test of being a honeypot, and you can see the address here. You see the buy task. So you see buy limit non-detected. You get? So this is open source too. As you can see, source code is open source, so other people can access the source code, check what the project is building and what they are and all of that. So if the source code is not open, then something fishy might be there, because maybe they don't want other people to have access to what they are trying to do with the community and all of that, right? So you just have to use this platform to confirm if the token is honeypot or not. Then other tutorials that I've done, do your best to watch those videos carefully and see how you can bring together all of these things. And trust me, after doing this research on any project you want to buy, you will never regret getting in and all of that. So please do well to subscribe to this channel, because we are trying our best to bring you the latest updates and things that will make you to stay ahead of the game, and of course get your bags up. You get me? So see you on the next one.